Namaste Vidya. I, JVN Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. In this video, we discuss about what is MNC company. Everybody says that I am working in MNC company. Where is MNC company? What is the use of MNC company? So in this video, we discuss what is basically MNC. So MNC means a multinational corporation that has facilitated and other assist in at least one country other than its home country. A multinational company generally has offices and or factories in different countries and a centralized head office where they coordinate global management. These companies also known as an international, stateless or transnational corporate organization tend to have budgets that exceed those of many small countries. So, what is the use of multinational corporation? Multinational corporation and what is the key takeaway? So, MNC participate in business in two or more countries. MNC have a positive economic effect on the country where the business is taking place. Many believe manufacturing outside of the US has a negative effect on the economy with fewer job opportunity. Transnational business is considered diversifying the investment. How a national corporation MNC works. A multinational corporation or a multinational enterprise is an international corporation that derive at least a quarter of its revenue outside its home country. So many multinational enterprises are based in the developed nation. Multinational advocate says that they create high paying jobs and technologically advanced good in countries then otherwise would not have an access to such opportunities or goods. However, it is or these enterprises believe that these corporations have undue political influence over government. So exploit developing nation and create jobless in their own home countries. So a large majority of high revenue companies in the US are multinational companies. What are the types of multinational companies? So they basically there are four categories of multinational that exist. They include like a decentralized corporation with a strong presence in its home country. Second one, a global centralized corporation that acquire cost advantage where cheap resources are available. Third, a global company that build on the parent corporation, that is R&D, that means research and development. Fourth, a transnational enterprise that uses all three categories. There are subtle differences between the different kind of multinational corporates. For example, a transnational, which is one type of multinational, may have its own home in at least two nations and spread out its operation in many countries for a high level of local response. Nestle, this is an example of transnational corporation that execute business and operation decision in and outside of its headquarters. Meanwhile, a multinational enterprise control and manage plant in at least two countries. This type of multinational will take part in foreign investment as the company invests directly in host country plants in order to take an ownership claim, thereby avoiding transaction cost. Like a second example is Apple is a great example of multinational enterprise and it try to maximize cost advantage through foreign investment in international plants. According to the Fortune Global 500, the top five multinational corporation in the world as of 2019, based on consolidated revenue, were Walmart, that occur $514 billion, Sinopec Group $4.51 billion, Royal Dutch Shell $397 billion, China National Petroleum 393 billion, State Grid 387 billion. So these are the five multinational corporation in the world which has a consolidated revenue. So now we discuss the advantage and the disadvantage of multinational. So basically there are a number of advantages of establishing international operation. Having a presence in a foreign country such as India allow a corporation to meet Indian demand for its product without the transaction cost associated with long distance shipping. Corporations tend to establish operation in market where their capital is most efficient or wages are lowest. So by producing the same quality of goods at the lower cost, multinational reduce prices and increase the purchasing power of consumer worldwide, establishing operation in many different countries. A multinational is able to take advantage of tax variation by putting in business official in a nation where the tax rate is low. Even if it operation are conducted elsewhere, the other benefits including spring job growth in the local economics, potential increase in the company tax revenue and increase variety of goods. आई होप आपको इस वीडियो में क्लियर हुआ होगा कि व्हाट इज एमएनसी कंपनी. एमएनसी कंपनी का मतलब हो गया कि एक मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी है जो कि स्टेट वाइज भी हो सकती है, इंटरनेशनल वाइज भी हो सकती है. अब इंटरनेशनल है इसीलिए हम उसको बोल रहे हैं मल्टी. अब हो सकता है वो जो मल्टीनेशनल है उसका हेडक्वार्टर दिल्ली में हो सकता है उसका हेडक्वार्टर बॉम्बे में हो सकता है, उसका हेडक्वार्टर कहीं और भी हो. लेकिन इसके बहुत सारे एडवांटेज भी हैं, इसके बहुत सारे डिसएडवांटेज. अब मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज जो है वो आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स के वर्क कराती है. जैसे कि आपकी सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनीज हो गई, जैसे कि आपकी और भी बहुत सारी कंपनीज हो गई, वो सब आपकी एमएनसी कंपनी है जो कि एटलीस्ट एक कंट्री हो या आपके जैसे कि अमेरिका का कोई काम चल रहा है तो वो अमेरिका का जो काम चल रहा है वो हमारी होम कंट्री क्या हो गया, हमारा इंडिया. तो अमेरिका का काम एटलीस्ट हमारे होम कंट्री में होगा और कहीं दूसरी कंट्री में भी होगा जो उसको वर्क करा रहा होगा. सो दैट इज द एमएनसी. So if you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.